Good evening, guys. This is my second video for the month of April. This is my Exoplanet number 2, the Exolution in Japan DVD. I got TLP in Japan last year, so I made it a sure to get a copy of this. Well, let's open it up. So first is this one. And Exoplanet number 2, the Exolution in Japan. Here we go. First is we have the DVD here. Inside it we have this. And we have the CD over here and here. So it's actually 2 CDs. And then these 2. Okay. We have this. Okay. So this one is the photo book. Okay. This one is Exolution in Japan photo book. Say homie. Okay. Check it out. This one is Eldorado. It looks nice. Except Lee is not here. Okay. We have Omin. And Tehumi. Yes. Okay, this is amazing. I love it. Okay. Cute little kids are having fun. And this one. There we go. And that's over there. And okay. And that's it. Okay. Well, that's it for this Exoplanet number 2, the Exolution in Japan DVD with photo book. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice evening. Good night.